Hello guys, my name is Jim Slater, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Septifix before you decide to make a purchase. Please pay close attention because I have two very important alerts to give you that can save you money and keep your home safe. This will be a quick and helpful video, so stay with me until the end and decide for yourself if Septifix really works and is worth it. If you've ever had issues with your septic tank or cesspool just like I did, you know how frustrating it is and how much money you end up spending to fix clogs and odors. Now, the first and most important thing you need to know is this. Septifix is only sold on the official website. It's not allowed to be sold on Amazon, eBay, or anywhere else. Buying from unauthorized sources can lead to getting fake products that don't work. To help you out, I've left the link to the official website in the video description below. So, how does Septifix actually solve your septic tank problems and help you save money every year? It's simple. Septifix tablets are safe, natural, and very easy to use. You just drop one tablet into your toilet, flush it, and let it work. The tablet releases oxygen and billions of good bacteria that break down waste, eliminate bad odors, and prevent clogging, corrosion, and backup. It even helps you avoid expensive pumping and plumbing work. Many people have reported saving hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year just by using Septifix tablets regularly. Not only that, but Septifix also helps the environment. It ensures that the water leaving your septic tank is 100% clean and free of pollutants, which is safer for your home, your neighborhood, and nature. Over 21,374 people are already using Septifix with amazing results. They no longer deal with bad smells or constant septic tank issues. That's because each Septifix tablet contains powerful oxygen-releasing compounds and live bacteria that work together to clean your entire septic system. Think about it. If Septifix helps you reduce your pumping needs to once every 2 years, you're already saving a ton. Isn't peace of mind and a healthy home worth that? One more thing, the manufacturer gives you a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you try Septifix and don't like the results or feel it didn't work for you, you can ask for your full refund, no questions asked. So with all these benefits, why not give it a try? Just remember, only buy Septifix from the official website to ensure you're getting the real product with all the benefits and warranty. I made this video to help people who are unsure about Septifix and also to stop others from buying it from the wrong place. Once again, the link to the official website is below in the description. I hope this video helped you, and I hope Septifix gives you peace of mind, clean plumbing, and a safer home. Thanks for watching!